In what ways did the naval mutiny prove to be the last nail in the coffin of British colonial aspirations in India? 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. The Royal Indian Navy Mutiny, also known as the Bombay Mutiny, occurred in February 1946 and was a crucial event in India's fight for independence. Sailors and officers of the Royal Indian Navy protested against poor working conditions, racial discrimination, and the ongoing struggle for Indian freedom. Body. Key factors that made the naval mutiny a significant blow to British colonial rule included widespread support. The mutiny gained extensive backing from the Indian population, political leaders, and sections of the armed forces, including the Royal Indian Air Force and local police. Impact on British administration. It revealed the vulnerability of the British government, showing they could no longer rely on Indian armed forces for control. International pressure. The mutiny attracted the attention of the United States and the Soviet Union, who urged the British to grant India independence. Unity among political parties. The incident united the Indian National Congress and the Muslim League in demanding immediate independence. Accelerated transfer of power. The mutiny convinced the British government that maintaining control was no longer feasible, speeding up the transfer of power to India. Conclusion. The Royal Indian Navy Mutiny of 1946 marked the end of British colonial aspirations in India. It significantly accelerated India's independence movement, ushering in a new era in the nation's history.